What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Mike, and today I think most of the people felt like that, screaming the mayhem, the bloodbath of Bitcoin. All the crypto world, also the Dow Jones, also most of the markets are down. The economy is failing very hard, and the thing is that if you want this to be better, let me tell you, it's not gonna look. It doesn't look good at all. Um, but there's a light at the end of the tunnel, and as you can see, we have to wait until Wednesday here to see how the inflation numbers are. The things don't look good at all, but there's still hope. So we have to wait. Maybe the market tomorrow will bounce back. If you have, if you sold your crypto like over here, you can now try to buy the dip, as everybody knows that strategy. The thing is, we don't know how long the dip's gonna be. But the good thing is that it doesn't matter. So, because you need to analyze your own situation, to check if it's good or if it's bad to buy right now. But do something. Don't stay put or paralyzed because you need to be occupied. You need to get busy to work with this, because we have Ukraine, the war at Ukraine. We have China with COVID. Shanghai ports are packed. We have the Dow Jones, inflation in the United States. The prices of the energy are so high, so high. They're if more high than Snoop Dogg before a concert. You know, it's amazingly weird. Everything is happening, but the thing is that you have to be right now careful, but you have to invest. This is a good thing. Uh, I know most of the people see this as a big problem, but there's a big opportunities when this thing happens. If you don't believe me, okay, people, I'm gonna give you an example. If you haven't seen this movie, please do it. It's called The Big Short. The Big Short, and it talks about what what happened in 2008 with the with all the housing things, the credits, the real estate problem that the government had with the bonds. And here you go. We were like here, and it went here. Again, COVID, and this went like here. See this? It's almost buying here in 6,000. It was like buying in 1997. So almost 10 years were wiped out by the 2008 real estate disaster. 10 years. If you have bought here, look where it is right now. A lot of money you will be doing. So I know most of the people here, because you try to watch everything and say how many people lose their jobs, how many jobs were lost, how many people ended up on the streets. I know, I know, I know. I understand that. And we all want everybody to be happy. But the problem is, it's not in your hands. And the people who did this is the people who tells you every day they're going to take care of you. And they didn't. So, if the people in charge made this mess and they have the power to change things, I don't want to know anything about you, because there's nothing you can do at all. Instead of doing that, you need to get yourself together, and start doing something for you, and start doing something to be better. So, as you can see, you can check this. There's a calendar here, Forex Factory calendar, where you can check all the economic numbers from every government, Europe, Canada, England, USA, Japan, Australia, New Zealand, China, all the numbers. So, as you can see, there's a way where you can be a little bit informed about the economic metrics and what it's up for now. So, at this moment, you need to take care. You need to be very careful. Please, if you're not experienced and if you're not experienced person, forget doing trading with leverage. Stop. Don't do that, because you might lose all your money. Okay? There's no way to do that. I prefer that you check, for example, the company of Warren Buffett, Hathaway. You can check what he's doing, what he's buying. If you have the money to do so, there's an opportunity here to buy low in stocks, in the crypto market. And if you're only in the crypto market, as I told a friend yesterday, we were talking about this, and he was talking about having he wants everything on physical, like real estate only. He cares only about real estate, and I told him, like, you need to diversify everything. You need to have some money in jewelry, gold, platinum, even silver, diamonds, emeralds, anything about that. Another part in stocks, another part in bonds, another part, even the bonds are underperformed, but you need to make a balance, because you have stocks, you need to have bonds. And 70-30, it's good. 70 stocks, 30 Warren Buffett style. There's no you can't do better. You need to hear the people who has been successful doing that. So what else? You don't need to look other way. The other thing is real estate is good. The other thing is the crypto market, not only Bitcoin. I know some people say, I only invest in Bitcoin. You shouldn't do that. You should invest in a lot of altcoins, but especially the altcoins, or the cryptocurrency that is doing some changes, because this is technology. And the thing about technology is that like cell phones, like everything, you need to be changing, you need to be making things better. For example, I'm gonna go back and talk about NFT games. If you talk about Axie Infinity, they were first. They were making a lot of money, people investing in them because they were new. But now there's a lot of options in the market. So if you put your your money only in that game, it's just idiotic. You need to see other people what is doing, or maybe they're doing it better, and your money, or you will earn more money that investing only in one thing. Not right now, NFT games are very profitable, so they're not. They're gonna change, they're gonna mutate, they're gonna get better. Companies like Activision and Ubisoft and a lot of game designers are looking towards the NFT gaming, and they might get a good shot at it, and especially because we are learning very fast, because this is what 1 year, 1 year, almost 2 years old. So there's not a lot we haven't seen yet, especially with the metaverse and everything. Even Facebook entering in the metaverse, and Microsoft, and there's a lot of stuff looking good. So this is not to be afraid of. Also, everybody was talking about this. So the people who didn't want it to see this is the people who has a problem, because you need to hear even the bad news, even the things you don't want to hear, and listen to those bad news, or listen to that info you don't want to hear, because it's the only way you can make a good decision, listening to all the parts. If you only listen to one part, the part is telling you, no, it's gonna go up, it's gonna go up, it's gonna blow to the moon, and it doesn't go, it's worst. So you need to listen everybody. It's not like you're gonna listen everybody, because you're gonna take too long, and when you take the decision, is not worth taking the decision anymore. So, but the thing is, you need to check few people who you think are good, who has different points of view, and be afraid if those people agree in one thing at the same time, because it's gonna come true. See, that's the thing you need to know. So this is not about telling you what to do right now, what to invest. I didn't make this video to talk to you about the other things. I talk about FitFi. I enter that game. I am staking right now. If you want, there's a good opportunity because it's down. If you don't want, you can wait until Wednesday to see the inflation numbers, so you can make a little bit make your head about what's gonna happen, if it's gonna go low, if it's not gonna go low. If you check Bitcoin right now, it went directly breaking the support and 32, and right now is going to the 28,000. So don't worry, because I'm pretty sure it will bounce back. And the thing is that if the inflation numbers get better, there's no need to make another big changes, But again, this time is time to check what you can do. If you can check what the people who knows a lot about this, like Warren Buffett, check what they're doing, do. Check, think. I just saw the news that he bought a Hewlett Packard, a lot of stocks, of course, because they don't have debt. That's the important thing right now because the rates are going up, and that's the thing you should be looking, because this guy is an institutional an institutional investor, and he looks at the company numbers. No, he doesn't look the graphics. And if you want to do some serious investment, you should be checking what he's doing, how is he doing it. Okay? Well, guys, I hope you like my video. I I try to cover this up. I think everything is gonna go bounce back. If you sell before, try to buy the dip. Don't ever use your money or the money you use to live, to buy food, to pay your expenses, your credits. Don't use it for this, because this is a very, very high risk investment, especially because uh, you know it goes up and down so fast that uh, you might lose everything if you don't understand what we're talking about. So about the games, about the tokens, I've been investing in those tokens, and I've staying put in those tokens. Let's see what's happened Wednesday, and especially if you sold, I sold part of my portfolio before, way before. Now I'm buying, tiny portions. Like today, I bought a tiny portion. We'll see tomorrow and Wednesday. I will see if there's a bounce back. I believe there's gonna be a bounce back tomorrow, but it's enough for, and it should be happening because it went so low, and institutional buyers will buy at this moment a little bit of Bitcoin, or maybe they will wait until the numbers of Wednesday. So that's why I'm telling you, be careful, check everything, and don't get crazy if you see sudden movements and you're not sure, because you need to investigate, you need to realize things, you need to understand things, and take your decisions. Well, guys, that's it for today. Hope you like my video. If you do, please give me the thumbs up, and if you like the content of my channel, please subscribe. It will be a great deal to me. Well, guys, see you. Bye.